Hey guys, good morning, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to my platform. How you guys doing this beautiful Monday morning? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. So if you are new here, my name is Elise and I'm a mommy vlogger. I base in Italy, so we bring you content from this other side of the world. You enjoy what you see? Stick around. I believe you are not going to regret it, okay? So today is Monday. I've dropped Never off school. I'm in the center of my city. So that's why you are hearing that noise. Like they are walking here in the center of this city. So they are trying to put the Christmas trees, everything to make the center beautiful. So let me start this vlog this morning. Yesterday as I was walking, my nails broken. Yeah, look at, and it has been a while I made this nail. So I'm heading there this morning to just retouch it. And if you've noticed, I don't know what I will do, guys. I'm having my skin. My skin is peeling out. Since yesterday, I noticed that. I don't know why my skin is peeling. Am I a baby or I want to regrow new skin? Anyway, so I'm trying different things, different oil, so that it will go away. But it's not going, it's still peeling. So let me start this vlog before I rant around here today. Okay, let's go, guys. This is what I was saying. So they are trying to match that Christmas tree. You see that? This is the jug and this is the center of my city. So I'm going this way to get my nails done. All the decorations are coming up. Anyway, they are putting it one after the other. This is the place I'm coming to. Coconuts. This is the place. It's really cute. I love the building. That is the pedicure, the reception.
Low-key, all of them done they notice. I'm not joking. All my guys, them know me. Since '06, I've been writing the story. I know be OG, but if you ask them know me.
Guys, look at my knees. It's coming up. I love this. This is my real nails. So we just finished making my nails. Two of us that came here this day. Hey guys, so I finished. Look at this. This time is so beautiful. This red. This is a month of December and I don't think I will be coming back here before Christmas. Maybe I will come after Christmas, but before Christmas I don't think so. So today is 4th of December. Yes, we have like 21 days. I believe this lasts for like 3 weeks. Yes, it would be enough for me before Christmas. Maybe after Christmas I will come back. But this I love it, the white, the red and the silver. It's so fine. Just take a good look. This is my nail. This is not gel. This is my nail, my real nails. So just do it well for me. So beautiful. Look at the inside. I love it. I love it. My boy has been crying, but now he's asleep. We have to go home. It's 1 o'clock. All right, guys. See you when we get back home, or see you when I shall see you. Okay. Bye. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back again to my platform. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine and keeping safe. If you are new here, my name is Ace. I'm a mommy vlogger and I base in Italy. This is on the 8th of December. Happy New Month, guys, and happy Christmas in advance. Please do well to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when we upload a new video. So guys, today 8th of December, as I've said before, there is usually public holiday in this my city, and there is this big market they used to do every on the 8th of December. They bring a lot of things. It's usually bigger than the one we have every week. So today is the day and we are heading there right away. I'm outside, so I don't have to tie my hair because the code is not for children, it's for adults. So guys, we are heading there, so let me bring you guys along to the market. So I will show you everything, and the market usually hold at the center of my city. I'm going there with my daughter. She's here, just meet her. Say hi, girl. And then my boy. So see you guys when we get to the place, okay? Bye. My city center. See, there are a lot of people in this market, guys. A lot. You see, this is the city center, and the market is going this way. From the back. What is it called? Mandarino. Quanto chilo? Uno. Quanto costa a chilo?
Un chilo 2 euro, 3 kg 5 euro.
Un chilo. E questo cos'è?
Grappa. Grappa.
Arampo, cosa vuol dire arampo? Change. Thank you. Put it in. Put it in.
Il portafoglio è saldo.
Coco.
Ma è un vintage questo. È un profumo vecchio.
Questo è
Quello è black opium. Questo è black opium.
questo è black opium.
Black, quello che hai già sentito mi sembra.
Mi piace questo.
Sì, vabbè.
Li mangia qui, li porta via?
Due o tre li mando.
Vuoi un piattino? Ah, ma è solo con questo stesso. No, c'è con un freddo sartino. Allora,
Malaki. Scusa. Non so è maiale o pecora? Pecora. Good.
Baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy.